Will I remember how to do this? Should be. I know there's a battery somewhere. There you go. Thank you. And galley power. Yeah. Fuel pumps. Although I don't think we have anything in the central pumps. We'll try anyway. And this on. APU on, please. And boom, baby. Just too bad you didn't go the VIP terminal. I know, nerd, but we couldn't fly. I'm sorry. Playing the call from Spitsbergen. The Nordics are calling. Ooh, really, Uni? Ooh, that's quite interesting. We should then do something, don't we? Have his rule. Oh, so the truth be told, I had fighters. Give me a C1 for one any day. Yeah, well, probably agree there with you as well. Yes. Open this, thank you. Give me some packs. Give me the APU bleed. Give me this on. Ah, yes. Nice. Hello. Position, anti-collision, and initialize the SIVA. So, parking brake. Boom. Yeah. And then Mr. Siva, please. Hello. Right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna initialize where we are. We're in OMAL. And we're gonna activate the keyboard thingy. Position, waypoint 0, okay. North. It's 24157. 24157. And is it east? 55365. Okay, waypoint 0 as well. Ta-ta-ra-ta-ta, align. Thank you, baby. And I'm gonna start entering the waypoint now. The waypoint Abu Dhabi is the first one. And the coordinate will be north 24251. 24251. And east 54404. Boom, baby. Number 2. Number 2 is this guy. Alright. Hello, Bobcat. Hello, Jojo. Hello. Okay, the third one is 26014. And east 5615. 2 1 2. Number 3 north 24103 and east 56116. all right, that's number 3. 1 2 3. Number 4 is the other one on the mountains, which is north 22 563, and then east 57343. 57343. Okay, bingo. Yeah, more or less. Okay, the last one is Muscat, number 5. Are you ready, guys? So numbers: north 23 35.5, and then east 58 15 60. All right, the winners, please come to the table. We have a nice Parma ham and a couple of bottles of wine. Okay. You can come and collect them. We also have some nice mortadella, which is very nice, man. Now, shall I do the cheetah line? Absolutely, yes. So, boom, baby. Thank you very much. It's been very kind. Your services. Thank you, Siva. Siva is ready. And we shall start with the engines, I guess. Ooh, okay. Ooh, no, wait. We have to set this guy first, which is gonna be set at... what's the altitude here? 3.3. Okay. Let's make it 3.20. Actually, 3.1. 3.10. Boom, baby. Alright, are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Boom. Yes. Rainbow. Yay. Rainbow hype. The rainbow is real, guys. Once again, on the 732. The power of the rainbow will protect us. What part am I from Italy? I'm from the north. Some leftover fish soup. Ooh, nice. Well, I guess anybody will like some... Well, maybe not. It depends on for how long it was left over, but yes. Sorry, but games... Oh, ciao, team. Okay, no worries, no worries. Contrabasen, no kawaii, no kawaii. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. Now give me choco tonight. But, yeah, the fish soup, man. Didn't you know, Steve? Yes, it's a fish soup. It's my fish dinner, absolutely. I would love to have some fish soup every now and then. I don't always do. That's the problem. Ooh, nice glare there. Okay, now can we start the engines, please? Yes, we should. So packs off 1 and 2. The bleed is on. The bleed is real, and the isolation valve. The isolation valve is still on. Okay, perfect. Let's start the engines. My God, the fuck. Okay, start this, please. All right. All right. So this can go to maybe on. Thank you very much. That glare is God's flashlight. Maybe yes. Eat your fish soup. Yes. The fish should die. That's genius. Very true, Steve. Very true. All right. So, engine 1 starting. All very nice and easy. Okay. The gauges are moving. The needles are spinning. I think we need to set some QNH maybe. What about it? It's 1014. Okay. Okay, one engine is gone. So let's start the other one. So yeah, you need to always eat your fish soup. That's the most important thing, I think. And good night, team. Buonanotte, mio caro. Happy watching. I hope the best wins. I don't know. Do a quantity test. Nice. Only because I like to see those things spinning. Look at that. That's very nice. They're very cute. This is kawaii. Very kawaii. Totemo kawaii. Yes. Okay, so let me... Flaps 5. Yes, flaps 5 are perfect. 1, 2. Hello, Xinda. Hello. Okay, now we need to set GPS navigation here. Perfect. And then we're gonna have some flight director giving... What is it? Warlock? Ah, I know you can do that. I know you do that, you bastard. Okay, Warlock, very good. NIIS, which you still don't know, but it's gonna be 250, don't worry. Alright guys, are you ready? My panels, the Sidoro panels work, so very nice. And the pitch is set, I think. Oh, this is automatic pitch, very nice. Oh, I need to remap some controls because yesterday we were using the prop and the mixture here. So I need some reverse now. And this is the reverse, and then this is speed brake. And it's not reverse. And the nose wheel tiller. Okay. So we should be okay now. Right guys, are you ready? Yes. So we have a bit to do. We're gonna take it and hopefully intercept the radial that we need. And then yeah, and then go. So let me set a couple more things here. I forgot to turn on the power here. Turn off the power here. And turn off the APU. Okay. Open my lights. Turn on my lights. Turn on my strobe. Set this to flight. Close that guy there. Open the bleeds on the engines. Off with this. On with the pucks. Very nice. Okay. Are we ready? I think so. I think I'm not forgetting anything. Okay. Let's go. And alright. Right. This is how we are, by the way, from outside. We're actually beautiful and lovely. Mr. Windsock is not too excited, so we better leave. That's more or less the message. Alright, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Brakes off. Go. EPR is always 2 something. 215 I have. Okay. Well, maybe. 210 I guess is okay. Let's go, baby. Let's go. It's 2:20 past 2 UTC. Thank you. Still 202. Okay. Keep some. Yeah, keep it up around 2. Okay. Rotate. Okay. I lost a little. But anyway. Oops. Okay. Lost the yoke. Gear up. Stay around this pitch, more or less. Okay. Alright. Whoa. That was crazy. I lost the yoke for a sec. Anyway, we are... Yeah, climbing nicely. 3 to 1. 190, more or less. Okay. Pitch down a bit. Lock the gear. And start turning. I hope there's no terrain around. Should be okay. And as we get the speed that we need, we're gonna intercept this the SIVA radial, basically the SIVA, the magenta line. Oh my god, think about that. Anyway, so any news, guys? What is your feelings about the new IXTG videos? Because I still haven't watched any of them. I'm just wondering though. Flaps up 1 notch, please. Very nice. And flaps up. Yay. Alright. Nicely. Intercepting and pitching down a bit. I think the power is okay. We shouldn't have an engine fire. So I don't know, guys, what do you think? I'm gonna give some more music now. I don't know, really. No, this is a little low. Still too slow. No, not the sun, man, not the sun. The fuck? I don't say shit. Okay, now I do now. Okay, pitch down, baby. So let's accelerate. We're gonna move to this 1013. Alright, and pitch down. Perfect. And lights off. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay. So I don't know, what's the reaction? I think I've read something about no Choco. Well, freak, don't worry. Choco will come, absolutely. Tonight will come. Has to come. But I was wondering, so what are we seeing? The external video, there's an external dick pit, no, sorry, yeah, whatever, cabin. External view. Anything interesting in the cockpit, in the dick pit? We're intercepting this guy in the meantime. And what I will do, I'm gonna set now my latitude. Well, Cranky, what's a likely answer to that? What's a likely comment to that? We have to pray to the Noah gods, absolutely, yes. That there's not too much turbulence, but maybe yes. So, I don't know. There's a reason. There you go, that's a comment. That's one way to comment, I would say. You don't know if the link gets blocked? Well, no, I hope not, nerd. Ooh, that is nice. What is this? Ah, this is the Ferrari world, isn't it? Nice. That's pretty nice. The wing is stiff. Yes. Yes. You know? You know, freak, loose lips, sink ships. Oh, that's a very nice one. That's a... Oh, look at that. There's even more. Oh, because there's a world as well. We're building the fucking planet as well on the sand. Why not? Why not? Why not? So here we go. And I don't know if we have scenery here, but the landscape is quite interesting. Hello, carbon. Okay. Good for you, I would say. I don't know. Maybe bad for you. But anyway. Ah, no scenery. No. Well, I thought I did install one actually. What the fuck? I thought it was working. Or maybe it's just the airport. I don't know. Should I buy it? Is it for sale? Oh, cause maybe I made a mistake here. Maybe I made a mistake installing it. I thought I did install it, and I'm pretty sure there were some buildings, even in the forum one, you know. And now I don't see them. But now I don't see them. So maybe I did bad installation. I'm not sure about it. It may be. I don't know. Anyway, look at this. Check this out, man. Check this out. That's pretty crazy stuff to me, man. That's still pretty crazy stuff. Anyway, let me see whether in the airport there's any buildings. Because maybe I did install... Oh no, there are. So the scenery seems to be correct. Although there should be a landscape there. Oh, did I have... Maybe it was a separate download. Oh man. Anyway, is there a payware version of this for X-Plane? Because maybe this will be one of those scenery you wanna buy, you know? I think it would make sense, maybe. Anyway, nice. I like this. You live on an island like... No, the bucket, no! No, Carva, no! Oh, man! No. Okay, wait, I can actually do worse here. Wait a second. I may be able to do even worse. Okay, speed brakes off. Thank you. The flaps... where the fuck are my flaps here? Oh, there. Okay, oh my god. I need a lot more. I think 15 almost now. Okay. Okay. There. 25. All right. Alright, keep going down, you motherfucker. Come on. And give me flaps 30. It's the vomit comet. Well, it could be worse, man. Could be worse. Don't worry. Anyway, the speed brakes are armed. The flaps are set to landing. It's gonna be a YOLO kiss anyway, you know that. It's only a YOLO kiss, this one. So be prepared. Alright, baby. It's gonna be just a touch and go. Just a kiss.
Oops. Oh, ballooning. Ballooning. Really? Okay, we were... Oh my god, what the fuck is this? Okay, I wanna just kiss you a couple of times. Like this. A bit of a wheelie, thank you. Yeah? Like this. Keep the engine. Bit of rudder. Oh. Okay. Engine. Yes, I am rotating. Alright. And the flaps come up one notch. And another notch. And yes, and we're getting the speed that we need. The butterfly kisses. Yes, exactly, better. Yes, exactly. So we're gonna turn left. The flaps are, yeah, gear up, please, maybe. Maybe, you know, it'd be nice. And the speed is actually okay for flaps 15 already. And flaps 15 will be this. Alright. Alright. And keep climbing a bit. Some engine, thank you. You feel like we were very close to a kiss before the ballooning. Yes, me too, nerd. I did a very bad maneuver there. I pulled, of course, out a little too much. Okay, so anyway, we're gonna go perpendicular for a while. Still climbing a bit. Okay, not too much, because I wanna keep the speed, actually. A little more, maybe. Okay. Let's level off here and keep going like this. Alright, the speed brakes are... Okay, I think they were activated actually, they were extended. Yeah. Fuck. That's why. Okay. Right, so now they are... I should disarm them. Why did I arm them? Anyway. Moi? Beautiful, beautiful. I love this. So anyway, once you get into the Grande Fe, pull them back to idle. Okay. I'll try and remember. So, pitch up a little more, so we lose some speed, please. More. Alright. And up a little more, thank you. Yeah, why not? And give me flaps 30, thank you. Right, flaps landing. Okay. Now, let's see what we can do, guys, here. Runway is in sight. Everything is in sight. It's quite pretty, actually. Okay. Down a bit. I see cars moving on the ground. And we're a bit low now. Aligning better, maybe. Let's see if I can do something better than this. Okay. Alright. Yeah, I should do a much better job. 500. Okay. Right, maybe this way, yeah? Maybe this. Excuse me.
Wow, the fuck? What kind of approach is this, man? I don't know, tell me. Someone explain to me. What the fuck am I doing? Oh, because it's rolling. Oh. Well, it's not really a good excuse, isn't it? Okay, very high, but fuck it. Oops, oh shit. Okay, touch, another touch. Another touch, bit of engines. Okay, we still have the ground, we still have the wheels, I think, on the ground, yes. And power, maximum power. Wheelie, 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 keep the wheelie, keep the wheelie. Come on. Yes! And we have a takeoff. Gear up. Alright, start turning immediately. Flaps up one notch. Okay, that was again not really nice, guys. I don't particularly like it though. The wheelie was okay, I think. The wheelie was nice, but the actual kiss, I mean, could have been a little better. Okay, less power, thank you. And give me flaps 5 now, or 15. What is that? 15. All right. Oh yeah. I know this. Okay. Keep. All right, guys. Let's see. So you're saying nothing at all? Okay, nothing at all. Oh man, I don't know. Come on, man. Come on. I know we need to stay a bit there. 500. We're still a bit low, but we're catching up slowly. I kinda like it actually. Alright, so now almost time. Okay. Oops. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna stay lower. Ride those throttles. I will. Here we go, boys. 100. Oops. Ah man, see, that was without touching. I think I need to flare. But that was an idle at 10. Okay, wheelie. That was a hard one. Okay, no, I think I need to have a little input. A little flare, guys. A little flare. Gear up. I think. That's what I think. You know? Flaps up 1. Yeah, that was a bit hard, you know. Oh, turn left. So I need to understand but that was no pitch. That was absolutely no pitch. Maybe I should have throttled a little more. 3G, I think some buckets were spilled. Oh no! Oh, ew. No, that's gross. That's horrible. Anyway, I guess that wasn't the plan. I retarded too early. Probably yes, at 10 feet. I should have retarded maybe at 5. We're gonna do it again, don't worry. I'm gonna do this until I fucking get it now. It's, yeah, almost 11, that's okay. Gently flare. Or maybe I retarded too early. So I'm gonna do now still without pitch, but we're retarding a little later, okay? Oh, Carva, you still... And I'm gonna try and do it, but I don't know. Pitch for speed, throttle for altitude. 500.
Okay, a bit of center there. Okay. Right, here we go. Oh my god. Flare, bitch, come on! It's a good advice, isn't it? Well, I don't know. I don't know. We'll see, we'll see. I still miss a bit Mr. Airbus that calls me a retard. Okay. 100. I know, I can read, you bastard. Oh my god. Come on. Oh boy, oh boy. Oh, okay, it was long, and we're gonna do the wheelie, the celebration wheelie, baby. This is the celebration wheelie for a fucking good landing, man. Although it was a bit, yeah. Climb, climb, climb. There was a bit of a pitch, and we have a takeoff. Here's a long landing, yes. But man, fucking hell, I like that. I like that. Still, yes. So. Okay, a bit of flare. Oh boy, that was nice. I mean the touchdown, but it wasn't good. It wasn't good. It was very long. So it was, the touchdown was okay. Yes, I agree, but soft touch, but not a really good one. So we're gonna try and do a better one. It was soft, but not a good approach, in my opinion, guys. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Samantha used too much fairy dust. Nice. So yeah, anyway, don't worry, but thank you for liking it. Those of you who liked it, thank you. I like the touchdown. I'm not entirely sure I like the whole one, but unfollow, unsubbed, unmodded, not YOLO enough. Oh my god, no. Exactly, Adonis, I agree. Oh, okay, freak, because it was sinking. It was sinking the mofo. That's why I pulled it. And I did it wasn't pitch. It was my input. A little, you know, a little pull on the yoke. That was. Get another red light, please. Thank you. Yes. Okay, let me see what I can do here, because I know I'm gonna do a miserable one, but don't worry guys, don't worry. 500. Oh boy. Okay, 500. Oh, they're all red. That's okay. Okay. Okay, I'm not touching anything, okay, guys? So you're gonna get what you're gonna get. $100.
50, 30, 20, 10.
I'm not sure, but anyway, it was a long one. Anyway, yeah, speed brakes. Well, not speed brakes, but reverse and full stop. Not bad. And this was without any input, guys. Although I'm not sure. Why is he rolling that much to the right? You like this, guys? Yes, you liked it.
I don't know. I think, I think you have to pull a bit, to be honest. I think you have to pull a bit in the end, to be honest. A gentle one. A gentle one. You wanna see the playback? Something was odd. Okay, we'll see. We'll see. You know, I think I have to... Something tells me, guys, I have to pull a gentle bit, you know? Yeah, because at least you soften up. You need pitch. So, pitch or input? Are we talking about pitch or input? Like the pitch input on the yoke or the pitch trim? The nose dropped, you know, and I was still keeping the engines by then. I didn't idle them. So maybe I should... a gentle yank, okay, not a pull. But thank you, team, exactly. And thank you for specifying that, yes, I'm not a real pilot. Why do you think the flare light comes on so far out? Yes, yes. And no, absolutely, I agree, Freak, I agree. There has to be something. There has to be something I do. Anyway, let's go for the parking and let's go for the replay. See the throttles, see the yoke, see everything, okay. Alright, let's see. So we start again in the ground effect here. There you go. See the throttles are almost idling, and then a couple more, okay, and then look at the nose. It drops, and then it drops even more. You know, it doesn't go up. So I think that's why I need some input. Now you know what happens to Norwegians when the sun comes back and we're moving towards spring. Ah. Okay, let me see the external point of view. Actually, I wanna see the touch and go, man. Just one. Go to the airport and watch some 37 and land, and listen to the engines and watch the flare. Actually, that's a very good advice. I wish only I could have the time, Freak, but I'll try. But yeah, there's plenty of Ryanair, as you can imagine, landing next to me. So yeah, every single day. Flap, buonanotte my dearest, buonanotte caro, grazie, thank you so much Flap. I should have all the pitch, yes, I think, exactly, holding the pitch, Uni, that's actually a very good one, yes, that's actually a very good one, that I should probably do. Or consider doing it. And not to the end of it, you know. You're flogging a dead horse. Oh my god. Anyway, buonanotte Flap. Let me see one touch. The softest one, yeah. And but it wasn't a nice approach. I agree. But anyway, let's see the runway view. Actually, the airport view. Oh, we don't see shit. Really? Really? Wow, okay. Oh, maybe that's not the one that we're looking at. Let me see. Oh, wait. Actually... Ah, yes. Okay. It's a lot better, this. Lovely livery, though. Look. Maybe 25, yes. Maybe yes, Freak. Oh yes, we're flying backward, absolutely. Yes, come on. Okay, a little more maybe. Yes. no, the tail. Oh shit, the tail drag. Okay. Let me see. Okay. Wait. Oh, fuck off. Okay, play. I lost my... Where is it? Here. Okay, thank you. Alright. Oh, look at the shadow. Nice. Oh, man. You land better backward. Thank you, Brick. Thank you, my dear. I love you. It's probably true, though. Look. Check this out. Come on, check this out. This was probably the softest landing I've ever done. The softest landing I've ever done. Aviation history, exactly, Mega. Thank you. Here we go. Exactly, Frungi. There you go. See? You can do many things with planes. So this was the longest touchdown ever, and just to let you know, to let you see, I wasn't really touching any input here. I started touching them probably still very late. Actually no, I think is look. Oh my god. That was very tough. Oh, nice. That was very soft though. And the wheelie was nice, I have to say. A bit of a tail... No. We didn't drag the tail. Yes, Freak, we should do a shared dick pit, absolutely. Sausage landing. Yes. Woo! Okay, let me see the runway point of view. I like it, actually. I kind of like this, man. To be honest. Give me this runway point of view. Come on. Thank you. Here we go. Yes. Okay. There you go. YOLO air. Incoming, baby. Boom, baby. The zoom. Because it was a pretty long touchdown, this one. There was still some engine, and then look. Nice. Wheelie. Wheelie. And here we go. Yay. Oh man, that's nice. That was not too bad, man. I kinda like these views, to be honest. I don't know why, but I like them. Anyway, let me see the next one. Okay. So we're gonna follow the plane until it goes out of our view. Oh no, look. It's disappearing. No. Where is it? Oh fuck. Hopefully we'll see it again. Let's see if he follows it. Oh man, that was nice. I think so, yes. Oh no, the DSL, Freak's DSL. Freak, tell me your provider, let me call them. Next time buzz the airport at 1 meter. Ooh, that's a nice one. If I only were able to, we'd be able to. Oh, actually we should do the kiss without the landing gear. No tail kiss, best landing you've ever seen. Oh, thank you. Yeah, talking about the touchdown, of course. Thank you, yes. Thank you, Carvo. We have some dust storms in the air again, so bad visibility. There you go. Just got to find the balance point between speed and descent rate for this aircraft, and that only comes with practice. We can only coach technique. Very true. 1 meter and upside down. Yeah, sure. Yeah. Not even in DCS I can do that. Although we're gonna do it again. Where is the fucking plane? Come on, man. Come back to us. Where are you? And we're here at the airport waiting. Oh, there you go. We must be turning now. Okay. I'm in the desert here and get a 50 meg. Wow. What the hell? Yeah, exactly. I mean, you would expect a little more, you know. But hey, I don't say anything because you remember Christmas in Italy, you know. You remember how the speed was. I could only stream, I think, I remember a 600k I have to set one day. I mean, you know, so yeah, I know what that means. Okay, wait, a little more, a little less of this. Where is us? Where are we? Come on, plane, show yourself. What the fuck? Where is my plane? Oh, there you go. Yay! Shh. Here we go, incoming. YOLO air, baby. YOLO air is incoming. From far away. So we can watch the approach a bit. Yeah, from the runway like this. So you're there, waiting to breathe all the kerosene. And with your zoom and your fancy camera. There you go. Checking out for a YOLO air landing. That's not bad. But yeah, I would love Freak to be on the dick pit, of course. And tell me what I should do at the right time. Absolutely. But hopefully, I'll make you proud, Freak. Hopefully, I'll make you proud one day. Anyway, the plane is shy. It's like a deer. A deer. Deer. Don't starlet it, or don't startle. Don't starlet. No, the deers are already starlet themselves. You don't want to, you know, they're already attention whores. Already. Hello, my dear. Would you like to become, would you like to work in the starlet industry? Ah, Meg, I love you. Okay, here we go. Here we come. So let's see. Here we go. Here we go. So, Freak, that's outrageous. That's outrageous. So that was, you know, there you go, the sync. Boom. Nah. Okay, I think I probably... Maybe I know. I don't know. Maybe I know. I don't know. There has to be something I can do. But anyway, that wasn't too bad. Come on, we're kinda learning. Although I have to find the right balance. Grammar is so overrated anyways. Actually, Mega, you're absolutely right, yes. And I love you for that. Beautiful grammar. I would actually... I think it's borderline genius, the one you use. I think it's almost borderline genius, but I don't know. I guess I'm saying that only because I love you. Like your mom would say. But, you know. No, I'm joking, of course. Looks like you get 250. Oh my god. Really, Frungi? Fucking hell, man. That's a lot of bandwidth. I don't have that much. But I'm happy enough. Alright, guys. And now, let me see if we can park and park this baby. And shut it down, of course. Because that's what we need to do. Ooh, that's a nice parking area. So, not that entrance, but maybe... No. Let me go a little more. There is a difference between grammar and basic spelling. That's true, actually. Your coach has spilled a little on that one. Oh, Harry, I understand that. Absolutely. Again, guys, it was... I'm still learning, as you can see. I'm still a pretty long way to go. But hopefully more practice will make us better and better. So anyway, Oh, Spotify, thank you for watching, my dearest. I will of course see you tomorrow. And now let me see. I of course I will leave you, of course, as always, with a couple of hopefully nice songs to help our little sleep. And thank you, Nerd. Thanks again, my dear. Thank you again for watching and staying until now. How long it's been? Ah, not nearly 3 hours. Oh man, it's not even. It's half a solid one. Half a solid. Half decent stream, but it's okay. One more time. Pitch to speed. Trophy for altitude. When you do the little pitcher, thing at the last second, speed goes down. Less speed, less lift. Boom. Get it? Okay. When you do the little pitcher, but I didn't do. I didn't freak. Not the last one. You know, I think I don't know. I think there is something that that I still have to practice more. But anyway, I'm gonna park here, actually, in front of this. Yeah, like this. Nerd, ciao my dearest, ciao. And thank you G-Track, thank you again for watching. Now, let me see. 1 and 2, off, very nice. And battery off. Yeah. Battery off. Bye-bye, baby. Oops. Okay. Bye-bye, baby. Look at this. Lovely plane shutting down with the lovely sounds even of the plane shutting down. I don't know if you ever noticed, but this plane has lovely sounds. Practice makes perfect. Absolutely. And that's what exactly the road that we need to stay on. Absolutely, guys. Now, I need to hold the pitch. Don't let the nose drop. Exactly. And I think that's more or less what I have to do. Yes. Now, guys, let me see if I can find a couple of songs here to leave you with tonight. It's been a while we don't play the anthem, probably. Shall we play the anthem? Maybe yes. I will see. Anyway, first of all, I'm gonna give you...